Elon Musk just announced the largest building humans have ever built. That is not a rocket. That is not a car factory. It is something SpaceX and Tesla have never made in their entire history, a computer chip. Welcome to Engineers Gadget, the channel where complex engineering becomes simple. No jargon, no hype, just how things really work. Here is what is strange about this: SpaceX builds rockets, Tesla builds cars. Neither company has ever manufactured a computer chip in its life. And yet, in a quiet county in Texas, they are now building one of the most advanced chip factories on the planet, bigger than anything Intel, Samsung, or TSMC has ever attempted. They are calling it Terafab. Let me show you the numbers because they do not look real. The building alone is planned at over 100 million square feet. That would make it the largest building on Earth. The first phase cost $16.8 billion, but filings show the total project could grow past 119 billion. And once running, the plan is to produce up to 200 billion chips every single year. So why would a car company and a rocket company do this? Because Musk has done this exact move before. Tesla did not want to depend on outside battery suppliers, so it built its own battery factories. It did not want to depend on outside parts suppliers, so it started making its own parts. Now, that same instinct has come for chips, the one part of this entire empire Musk still does not fully control. This has been building for years, quietly. In 2021, Tesla started designing its own AI chip called Dojo. By late 2025, the first full Dojo supercomputer went online. In 2026, the next version, Dojo 3, is being built to run without a single outside processor. A company that makes cars is trying to outbuild the company that makes the chips almost every AI system on Earth depends on, Nvidia. Musk put it plainly on his own platform. He wrote, Terafab, Texas will be the largest and most valuable building on Earth, by far. But here is the part almost nobody is talking about. Not all of these chips are headed for cars. Some are being built for something stranger: data centers in space. SpaceX wants computers running in orbit, cooled by the freezing vacuum outside the atmosphere, powered by solar panels that never see a cloudy day or a night. To make sense of the ambition here, Tesla and SpaceX together expect their combined computing needs to cross 1 full terawatt. That is more power than most entire countries use. The factory is expected to employ at least 3,000 people, most of them hired from the small Texas counties around it. Not everyone is convinced. Some analysts are calling this Musk's checkmate move against Nvidia, a way to finally build AI hardware nobody else controls. Others call it something very different: an unattainable dream, one that could swallow tens of billions of dollars before a single working chip ever leaves the building. So, this is not really a story about a chip factory. It is a bet that two companies with zero chip making experience can outbuild the entire global semiconductor industry at the hardest process node ever attempted. Do you think Musk pulls this off? Or is this the most expensive gamble in tech history? Tell me below, I read every comment. And subscribe to Engineers Gadget for more real engineering explained simply. No jargon, no hype.